Yung mga hindi pa kumakain, pwede na kayo kumain. Oo nga, referee siya. Iisa pa lang ang referee. Volunteer na referee. Volunteer referee. Ha? Ewan ko dito. Sige na po mo na. I-send mo na. Send mo na pa yun. O, sino? Si Juan. Isa pa. We need one more referee. Sino ba ito? Meron ng dalawa referee. Number 1 si Juan. Nandiyan mo ba si Aliburo? Gusto mo mag-referee? Okay, first fight, pasok na. Jambol na, jambol. Kami din. Baka gusto mo yun. Dapat yung mga pipitong player kumuha dito sa Castres. Hindi naman pwede pag-iwalay yung tatlong magkakapatid. Referee meron. Jambol between number 46 and number 91. People. Two points by number 17 and Gray. Oh, nakasut 17. Ang Gray. A rebound by number 17 to number 33. Number 83. Rebound by Castres. There's a foul. Oh. 82, not 82. 82. Sabla. Foul yung 82. 3 by number 83. 2 lang. Dalawa. 2 points lang daw. Number 83. Si Arnie. Score is 4-0. Rebound by Castres. Intercepted by number 80. Dribbling the ball. To Abena. Rebound by 82. Nakuha ni Angel. Number 17. Black shot. Last touch by Black. White ball. Number 83 again. Malakas. Strong sa English. Dennis. Dennis, number 95. 4-2 ang score. Gray is leading by 2 points. Final. Castres, number 33. 33 na Castres. To Dennis. Dennis 3. Rebound by Peko. Ayun sa sabi na coach. Number 46. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Willie. Willie. May kasama Howie. Number 46. And there's a foul. Si Peko ang foul. Peko. Bakit Marciano? Tapos Peko. Ano? First name niya Marciano. Second shot. It's good. Score 6-3. Lamang sa East. Last time by number 11. Number 80. Number 17. To Arnie. Dennis on the dribble. Dennis again. Dennis number 95. Intercepted by Black. To Dennis again. Hook. Galing naman ako. Armanais. Score 7-6. Lamang na Black. 3 points by number 83. Lamang uli ang Gray. 9-7. 95 to 46. There is a call. There's a foul. Number 83. Second team foul ng Gray. Okay. Tapos na. Yeah. Tama. Okay. Sorry. Sige. Magandang idea. Tama. May tama ka. Yan. Then, ito. Ako apat pa lang, pang-apat. Number 28 to number 2 to number 30. Malong, Drenay. There's ano? Number yeah. 35. Number 45. Everyone, tumalong. Kabena. Ay, number 65. To Romeo. There is a traveling call by a referee. Traveling call. O, baba na lang. Number 40. Nelson. Rebound by Bahan. Tudik. Tumalong. There is a foul on number 65. Third team foul. Yeah, third team foul. Sa Tagalog, tatlo. Yeah. Sa Bulacan, tatlo. Sa Spanish, tres. Nilo. The score is 9-0. Number 45, dribbling the ball. To Noel. Noel Manuel. The score is 11-9 in favor of the black team. No. Number 45. There is a foul. Time remaining 2 minutes. Yeah. First shot. The second shot. Yeah. No score. Malone. Jump shot by Malone. Rebound by number 65. Oh, intercepted by number 28. The Mountain. Mount Apple. Hindi masuk. Manuel. To Romeo. With a jump shot. Number 45. 2 points. With a tie. Ball game. Abena. Rebound by number 65. To Manuel. Manuel again. To Castres. With a jump shot. Jump shot by Abena. Rebound by number 32. Oops. Wala, hindi ata gumagana mga sulbato. Mga sulbato, dito tumutunog ang sulbato.
No foul!
Ayun, may tumulong din. Nanonood yung sulbato eh. Okay. Oh. Oy, sinabi. Sorry. Sa susunod, gagawin na namin. Nalibang kasi ako eh. Pero mo, nagkakadigitan wala ba na zumba? Okay. Ano na?
White!
Gray ball. Second quarter. Gray ball. Beko. to number 17. Rebound by Arnie. Follow up by Palo. There is a foul. Finally, tumutunog na ang mga sulbato.
96.
There is a foul on
96.
first shot by Palo. The score is 12-11. Time remaining 4 minutes, 25 seconds in counting. Possession black. Possession black. Dennis on. Dennis dribbling the ball to Malone. To Dennis again. Rebound by Peko. To Arnie with a three. There is a foul on number 82. Bilang foul na 82. Second foul on number 82. Three shots by Arnie Bautista. First shot is good. Second shot. Good again. Third shot. Good again. 3 for 3. 15-11. Time remaining 2 minutes 55 seconds. Intercepted by Gray. To number 17. To Master. Number 33. To Palo. All alone. Rebound again by Palo. It's a 2-3. Nasumalpan si Palo. Rebound. By Castro. It's 4-1. Number 17 of the Gray. 17-11. 17-11 in favor of the Gray team. 96. Arlie. Tupego to number 17. Makita likod. Dali ka. Scoop shot ang tawag dyan. Good. Pumasok. Time remaining 1 minute 37 seconds. 13-19. Puesto. Really, yan na. Tumalong. Rebound by Carter. To Dennis. Wow! 4-on-1. 33 yan. Score 21-13. 58 seconds remaining. 52. Yeah. Arnie. 44 seconds. 42. Another scoop shot. 34 seconds. Number 17. Up there. Wow. Time is running. Two shots. And time is running. 17. First shot is good. 22-13. 6 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah. Sino naman? 22-13, lamang ng Gray. Black ball. It's black ball. Last 5 minutes ng second quarter. Balik ka na natin. Larry to Billy. There is a foul. Si Fernando. Nakasunod na ba si Fernando? 65 ang foul? Hindi 22, 65. Second personal, number 65. First shot by Willie. Good. 22-14. Second shot. Okay. Ano yun? Oh, fake. What's the ball? There's a fake shot. Yeah, fake shot. Good goal. Yeah, fake shot. Fake shot. 17. Sino ka score? 25. 24-14. It's a 10-point lead by the Gray team. Ampon. What's that? Oh. Jumbo. Hindi ah. Tama. Black na. Bench. Yeah, tama. Good goal.
Ako? Sige.
2 minutes, 47 seconds. Susurano.
Uy!
Wow, there's a miss. All alone. Fade away shot. There's a foul again. 65. You got third foul. 3 personal foul. Second team foul. Everyone, Rebolano. Fernando. Hide away.
Sayang yung sapatos!
Dennis. Ang score 24-16. Time remaining 1 minute 35 seconds.
Keke Leonard! 3 points! Tira na! Yun o! Nabitawan kung tinira sana, pasok na yun eh.
Time remaining 1 minute 19 seconds.
Tira na agad Leonard, nakahawak.
Dennis. Pass to Willie. Willie, 2 points. 56 seconds. 42 seconds.
Yun, oh!
Last shot by Fernando. 37 seconds remaining. 34. 31. 27 seconds remaining. 24. 22. 19. That's about 17. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 3. 2. 1. Kahirap pa. O, third quarter na.
Kanta muna,
Pati.
kanta. Magluluto pa. Lak!
Rolly, may naiwan kang battery the last time? Battery, yung camera mo, yung nag-charge ka doon. Di sa'yo yun? Oh, okay. Nasa kahon ba? Nasa kahon? Nasa kahon yan?
Lak po! Lak!
Number 30, to Parcel. A rebound by Follow.
Oh,
Number
Kamuntik
17.
na.
Set out kami ng pula. Oh, ang ganda ng bata. Nick ba na?
Pulao.
Wow. Happy birthday. Yesterday, birthday.
Walang wire ba?
2024. 4 minutes, 26 seconds.
Oh, yeah.
Ay, ang ganda! Sayang. Ang ganda ng traveling. Kaya nga, ang ganda. Okay, decision natin dyan. Foul on number 82. Sino doon naman? Three fouls na raw yan. Tatlo na raw foul ng 82. Walang pumasok sa foul shot. Second shot. Wala. Alright, wala pa rin. Number 82. Malo. Ang galing. Walang dribble. Ang galing. Dalawa na na. 22-24. Ganda. Foul play. Ano yun? Foul hold. Anong number? 92. Second team foul. Nababayaan daw si Arnie. Sino ang bumamatay? Number 2. So, 22-27. Nick again. Pangit sa mga ganyan. Batang na lang, batang. Ang ganda ng pasa. Kaya nga, nagalit sa atin kasi sa atin, tayo binabato. Remaining 2 minutes, 5 seconds. Galing, rebound. There's a foul. 82. He got 4 fouls. 4 fouls. 13 fouls. Number 33. Time remaining 1 minute 41 seconds. Rebound, Mexico. Stepping. Huh? Stepping. 1 minute 23 seconds. Remaining. Basan with a knife. That's a good move. Yeah, ang tawag ng Pilipino step. Oo nga, rebound. Ang hirap gawin, yan. Time remaining 44 seconds. Okay. 33. 31 seconds. Oh, asan yung nakasan niya? 20 seconds remaining. 17. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and... Oh nga, ganda. I score 29-24.
Anong kwarto na tayo? White ball.
Yeah, that's a referee's call. Yeah. Galing ha? Ang ganda ng English na English ha? Ang ganda ng pronunciation mo na yun. English word. Nagtugo yung ilong ko sa English mo. Araw. Babalik na rin. 37. Sino ba naman? Great still leading by 5 points. Romeo. Suhano. 31-24 is a 7-point lead by the great team. Dennis dribbling the ball. 11. Yeah. Oh. Sino na score? Larry, number 30 yan. Score ng black. Noel, to Manuel. Rebound na Dennis. Really. Stop shot again. Same ball. Okay. There is a foul. On 65. Apat na rin. Isa na lang. Oras 3 minutes 21 seconds. Galing. Mayroon akong coach. Pumasok ako ba point din Abena. Second shot by Abena. Pasok pa rin. 31-28 remaining time is 3 minutes. Exactly. Number 65, Carldan. To the oldest, Castres. To the second youngest, second eldest, Who's foul? 10, black. Oh, grade 10. White 10. Yeah. 2 minutes, 24 seconds. 10 minutes. Oh, umaangat pa yung kamay. Manuel. Yan. 28. 33-28. Larry. Tereso. To Abena. To Willie. Hindi na magbaga. Natin. 1 minute, 40 seconds. 1 minute, 37 seconds. Anyway, chat. And 1. There's a foul. Sino foul? 65. Foul out na yan. Birthday. Happy birthday na yan. And 1. 1 minute, 9 seconds. There is a foul again. Who's foul? 37? Wala ba penalty? Warning. Number 46. There's a foul. Penalty. Time remaining 10 seconds. Time is running. Second check. Three seconds. 2, 1. Last quarter na. 10 minutes na lang. Makakaatak na ako. Ang score, 33-30. Gray yan. Possession Gray. Okay. In the 10 minutes, there will be 2 timeouts.
White.
Okay, Gray. Follow. Black ball. Uy lang ka, uy. Bumi na ba? Nasa likod yun. Scoop siya tagain. Dayak, yes, Castres. Yan. Score 35-10. Siya ba yung yes, sa Castres? Pero siya unang naubusan na. Siya unang nagkaroon ng HIV. Hair is vanishing. Ang tunay na pangalan, Hernan. First shot. The second shot. Yeah. Ang score, 32-35. Kinakabahan na si Fernando. Number 91. Number 83. There's a swing. Ang ganda ng pasa. Not counted. Not counted. Not counted. Not counted. No basket. No basket. There's a foul. Number 48. There's a foul there. Arnie. Uy, ang ganda naman ng ito. Tumama sa dibdib. Anso? Magaling na, Mr. Stefan. Ayun, binabato lang, mukha-mukha. 37-34. 7 minutes on the ball. Thirty-nine, 34. That's a good distance. First There's a pass. Arnie. Time out. By the block. First time out. Yeah. And then, time out, yeah. And then, time out is, mauubos yung oras. Ayan. 7 minutes na lang, makakaapat na ako, volunteer. Hoy, kaya mo ba? Okay, kaninong bola? Black. Nag-time out sila. So, Black has just one time out. Black ball. Black ball. Okay. Pero wala yata sa rules na. Intercepted by number 37. It's now up. 43-34. 9 points. Willie. There is a foul on number 45. Second team foul. Intercepted by foul. 11-point lead. Time remaining 5 minutes, 57 seconds. There is a foul on number 45. Third team foul. Third. Second. Lalim. Yeah. Larry. Score 36-45. Intercepted by Larry. It's a 7-point lead now. Time remaining 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Oh. There is a violation again. Time out. Time out, Gray. Tagisya na sila. One time out left on both teams. And time is 4 minutes, 57 seconds. And there's a 7-point lead by the great team. Nice shot. Yeah. Hindi kami nadali. Noel, Manuel. Yan ang tunay kong pangalan eh, Manuel. There's a foul. Hindi ko pa penalty. Warning for penalty. Substitution daw. Okay, pumasok. First shot pa yan. 41-47. Second shot is good. Time remaining 4 minutes, 22 seconds. What's that? Illegal. Oh, illegal. Illegal foul. Offensive foul. Offensive foul. There is penalty, pero offensive foul. Okay. 47, 44. 3 points na lang. Okay. 5-point lead. 4 minutes, 17 seconds. There is the foul. Penalty, tsaka akong shooting. Time remaining is 3 minutes, 57 seconds. Lamang na 5 ang break. First shot. Ulit. Yeah. Okay, warning. We got a warning. Yeah, warning. We got a warning. Yeah. First shot is good. 49-45. Hindi naman pumalit. Yan. Tatlong minutes na. Second 3 points. Time remaining 3 minutes, 48 seconds. Rebound. Oh, pumasok. Uy, pinamigay. Ano yun? Time remaining 3 minutes, 29 seconds. Larry. Nang hawi pa. Oh, galing. minutes, 3 seconds. Ay! Bakit? Dalawa pa lang. Wala pa. Second ball pa lang. Time remaining, 2 minutes, 59 seconds. Yung kabila wala na. There's a foul. Penalty out of shooting. Time remaining 2:44. Second shot. Second shot. 2 minutes, 42 seconds. There is, what do you call it? Foul. Foul down, number 82. Birthday, dalawa ng birthday. Wala pa. Ano na? Dalawa pala. 2 balls pala. 2 minutes. There's a foul. Sino foul? 17. Sa Tagalog, 17 ang foul. First shot is no good. Second shot. It's a 3-point lead. Pumasok na second shot. 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Ano yan? 1 minute, 51 seconds. 5-point lead. $50-53, time remaining 1 minute 39 seconds. Sino foul na? Sino? Sab. Ano ba yan? Putla mo ha? Oh, 2 points na lang, 2 points. 2 points lead. Oh, there's a foul.
Lock, 58.
Apat na. Siya na lang, tekno na sila. Both teams are respect. Foul, penalty. Time remaining 1 minute 27 seconds. Yeah, there is a foul. Number 33, 2 shots for the Black. 3. First shot. 3. Second shot. The second shot.
Those five.
Oh, he's just finished. He's It's a miss. 1 minute, 22 seconds.
Yun.
1 minute, 18. There's a foul. And then is penalty down. It's a 1 point lead lang pala. Computing, penalty. Both teams are in penalty already. First shot is no good. The second shot. The second shot. The second shot is no good. Patay yan na. Problem. 1 minute.
Wow.
55 seconds. 53. 51. 50. 47. 45. 44. 42. Anong ba? All ba? There's a foul? Yeah, so that is penalty. 29 seconds, 29 seconds. 55, 54, tamang isa, Andre. 54, 56. Time out. Time out clock. It's a 3-point lead with 29 seconds remaining. Both teams are in penalty. Kung i-interviewin na, anong gagawin nila? Then the clock. $29 seconds. Yeah. 3-point lead. Anong gagawin? Win daw, win. What? Wala na. Ready. Foul. Foul? Is there a foul? Both are represented. 20 seconds remaining. Tignan natin kung wala ka ba si Dictive ang number 33. Tignan natin kung may kaba. Wala ka kaba. Wala. No fear. Second shot. Ang ganda ng forma. Ang galing. Walang kaba-kaba. 15 seconds. Oh, binataw. Three. Foul. There's still two shots. May 2 shots pa. May foul din, di ba? Ano yan? Pagbigyan. 2 shots. 2 shots. Meron foul. Ayaw. Ang score, 59-54.
$59-54. White team win.